Hey everybody, how you doing? We're doing a video on luxury metals and dryer vents and install. My wife, we were in the utility room the other day and it got really cold up there. And I had an old plastic one, it's probably 30 years old or probably from 1979. It was old, it was a plastic with aluminum. But I found this website, Luxury Metals. Awesome. I called the guy, Dave. He is good to go. And I opted for. I could have gotten copper. Could have gotten stainless. Like I say, got nice vents on there. I chose the galvanized, and I got the 4-inch dryer vent, $29. But click here for optional magnetic damper. I got the magnetic damper, and it's awesome. I mean, it's a little piece of magnet strip there at the bottom, just enough for it to open up when the dryer vent opens. And then I got the all energy saver wall stands come with the optional wind guard, and that's the wind guard right there. And I got the magnetic, and it's got a seal around too, like a weather stripping, and it's good to go. Well, I'll put a link below, but this is what I got right here, and I'll show you the rest of it in real time video. But they got everything. But it has an 8-inch tailpipe. That's what the tailpipe is, and it fit perfect for what I have. And right here you got videos on energy saver dryer, but it's awesome. Worked great. All right. So I will be back with you. Just wanted to show you this, and it keeps wind rattle proof, animals resistant. So you get a bad nor'easter, hurricane, just bad winds. Oh man, it's nice to have. These are great vents, great dryer vents, or any kind of vent if you want one for your hood range or whichever. But yeah, that's the one I got right there. Galvanized. Yeah, it's hard to beat galvanized steel. Alright. Well, we're going to start the YouTube video. Or the rest of it.
Hey everybody, how you doing? We're doing a YouTube video on dryer vents. DIY or whichever you want to do. But like I say, mine was leaking air. And it was just old. It was probably 1979, so that's pretty old. It's plastic with aluminum tailpipe, and that's the section that goes inside your house. But yeah, overall, I mean, my wife said, man, it sure is cold in this utility room. I went in there and took my little thermometer gun and was in there. Oh my God, it was like 22 degrees out there that night, about a week ago. And it was like 58 degrees coming out of that dryer vent, and it was like a hole in there. I mean, not a hole, but it warped over the years, the flapper or the damper. And I put a bullet weight over the years, lead bullet weight to hold it down. But it was just a lot of cold air. And this summer it was extra hot in there because air was coming through there. So I'm going to show you what we have, okay, and what I did. All right. And I'll show you the old one. And it's all free-handed, y'all. And right here's the old one. Sorry about that phone. But here's the old one. And when it was going up against the wall, it had a bent place in it. Just over years, and that constricted a lot of flow. And look at that, y'all. You know, that's not good. So I have remedies for that, fix that. But I like the rigid pipe though. I like the rigid pipe over everything else. But here's the old one. And see how it stayed open? And it's warped and all that good stuff. Plastic will warp after a while. But here's a bullet weight I installed years ago. Well, bass fishing bullet weight with a screw. And that held it down a lot over the years. But still, that's enough crack right there. You know, and you know, so I mean, that's enough let a lot of air in and you lose a lot of energy that way. And that's what came to the wall, and that was a little washer or that they give with you, or collar. You know, it's plastic, but that's just, I don't know, it's not the best in the world. But it worked for a long time. But anyway, I'll show you what we did. Here's a new one from Luxury Metals. Nice outfit. And my caulking job isn't the best, but hey, it's doing the job. Let's zoom in on that. Yeah, I used screws left over from my building. And right there you see inside the vent's closed. It's magnetic with a weather strip and seal around it. And that right there keeps excess air or wind from going up in there. That little place at the bottom, that strip of metal. But there she is, galvanized, 26 gauge galvanized. All right. So it doesn't look too bad far away, but I left it natural color. It's a vent, you know, what the hey. I could have gotten copper, stainless steel, but it's hard to beat galvanized. It's good stuff. All right, let's go inside. I'll show you the rest. There's a little kitty. Let's see what my meter's doing. The heater's on. It's about 30 degrees outside. We're burning a little bit of juice today. Plus the solar isn't high up yet. All right. You know me, I can't make a short video. All right. But this is how cold she is today, this morning. A little bit of frost still left on the deck this morning. And Kitty Cat has an outdoor kitty house with heat going in it. She's got a heat pad in there. She says she stays warm all the time. Yep. All right. Okay, it's nice and warm in here. Take my shoes off. I always take my shoes off before I come in the house. Okay. Get to the utility room. Show you the magic. Are y'all ready? Here's a dryer. Oh, let me get my gun. Hold up. My thermometer gun. And I'll show you the conditions outside. What they are. All right. It's 41 degrees right here, and the temperature 75 in here. And here's my other one. It's pretty accurate too. That's a lacrosse. That's a nice little unit. All right. Okay, let's go in here. I'll turn this TV off. All right. But here is the heat coming out the register. It's like 85 degrees. All right. Floor temperature 68.9, right at 70. Or 69, excuse me. Wall 69. Ceiling 65. 68. Not bad. Okay, here's a vent we installed. I installed. 71 degrees. It's doing the job, folks. Before the other day, it was like 58 degrees. Oh man, it was all kind of air coming through there. And it's 69. It's doing the job. You're saving energy. Plus, to keep the heat out in the summer and the cold out in the winter. So, all right. But we went in. I'll show you pictures of my install. This is a storm collar here. Okay, but here, from my collar, or you want to say a big washer, I made it out of copper, and I'll show you pictures of that. And that is screwed to the wall, and then I taped it with H-back tape. Right here, that's H-back tape, aluminum H-back tape. It's got a sticky side, and you just peel it off, and you go right around your joints with it. And let me show you, get some of this stuff out the way, so I can really show you what's going on here. But the dryer vent goes right here and goes down to the dryer. But yeah, it's not a whole lot of bends. You don't want a lot of bends in your ductwork. And there you go, straight up. But yeah, I mean, it's worth the money. Go for it and spend it, and get you a luxury metal, a quality, like I say, a quality dryer vent. And you see, I've got a 90. I put a 90 on here, 4-inch 90. Then a 4-inch stab in or connector right here, and I ordered them online from Home Depot. Then I taped my vent. Then I use a stainless steel stainless steel hose clamp. Got it. But anyway, yeah, y'all, I mean, that's what I wanted to show y'all, and it's working good. It's keeping the cold air out and the wind. So that's not a too bad looking job. Y'all let me know what you think. Alright, we're going to end this video. But hey y'all, thank you for watching. That's just some updates of what's going on there. Oh yeah, check this picture out right here. That's me when I was 16 years old. Caught him off the Chesapeake Light Tower right here off Virginia. 70 pounds, 12 ounces. Amberjack. Yeah, that's me. That's one big amberjack. I caught, that's a citation for Virginia. I caught 5 citations that day. Alright. But anyway, I just had to share that with y'all. But I want to say thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe. God bless and simplify. Hoorah. Y'all take it easy now. Thanks for watching. All right now. Bye-bye.